Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an egg pulao recipe, and this one is one of those super easy, super quick recipes to make. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients or a lot of effort and time to make it. Super quick, smells good, it tastes amazing. Let's show you guys how to egg pulao. Here we have 2 cups of rice that we've already cooked, 2 medium onions that we've cut, 2 medium tomatoes, 3 eggs, hard-boiled eggs that we grated, 1 egg raw that we're going to beat later on, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 green chili, you can add more, coriander that we'll use to garnish, 3 tablespoons of oil. For our spices, here we have half a teaspoon of coriander, garam masala, and turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. This depends on your preference for spice, of course, and of course salt and pepper. So we had our pan heating up, and now we're going to add in the oil. Now we're going to add in the cumin seeds, and we're just going to mix that until we start to hear the popping sounds. So it's been 1 to 2 minutes, and now we're going to, as you can hear, there are these popping sounds. Now we're going to add in the onion. So we're going to keep sauteing them until they are nice and transparent. So once it started to turn translucent, we're going to add in the ginger garlic paste. And we're just going to saute that until you don't smell that raw garlicky smell anymore. Next, we're going to add in the chili, and we'll saute that for a little bit. So as you can see, it started to get nice and golden brown. Now we're going to carefully add in the tomatoes. So we're going to keep sauteing until the tomatoes loosen up and they're no longer great pieces. So once you see this kind of consistency, we're going to add in the spices and our salt and pepper. Now we're going to add a little bit of water just so that everything cooks and you no longer get that crisp. Now we're just going to let all of that cook until it's nice and thick and the water has been absorbed, and so that we're left with enough, I guess you can say, sauce to coat the rice. So this is what it looks like. The smell is incredible. So now we're going to just add the egg that we've beaten already. We're going to add it to the mixture and just mix all of this together. Now we're going to add the other 3 eggs that we grated earlier, and we're going to gently mix that so that they don't get mushy. So once we've mixed in the eggs gently, we're just going to add in the rice, and we're going to mix all of that together and leave it for 2-3 minutes so that everything incorporates with each other and absorbs the flavors, and then we're ready to serve. So this is what it looks like. We've served it with, we've garnished it with some coriander and just half an egg. And throughout the entire cooking process, it smelled amazing, so I cannot wait to try it. So let's have a bite. The flavors are great. I don't know, it's a very nice flavorful rice recipe to make. The flavors, the spices come through, it smells good, it tastes amazing, and overall it's a great rice dish that I highly recommend trying. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!